With 20 years experience and over 10,000 machines sold, it is the perfect moment to reinvent our bestseller. Following the needs of the market, we focused on more flexibility, more reliability, more precision, and of course, less initial cost for our customers. Together with the outstanding 5-axis performance, the ergonomic design, and the innovative Selos control, the new Dmu 50 3rd generation is perfect for almost all application areas. It all starts with the base, a 1-part iron casting that guarantees extreme stiffness. To avoid thermal deferment, all core components, such as motor spindles, guideways, ball screw nuts, and table bearings are provided with active cooling. This guarantees maximum precision and reproducibility in continuous operation. The direct drive boosts the rapid speed to 42 meters per minute. In combination with the direct measuring systems, the positioning accuracy is increased to 6 microns. The working area was extended by 78%. With the improved swiveling range of plus 110 degrees to minus 35 degrees in the B axis, and 20% more axis speed, which is now 30 RPM, the productivity of this machine is unmatched in its segment. All this is operated by Selos, the integrative operating interface for all high-tech machines. The Dmu 50 3rd generation is the unrivaled total package.